Yo, I could have some boy, you know. You tell them say MC Mashasha and DJ Ozil run the thing, you know. You see me? Them can this. Watch your space, you know, man. Crosses.
Yeah, man. For real is real, no big deal, straight sin. Remember, in everything we do, we have put God first. Come on, say we are God-believing sound, straight sin. So right about now, me I say greetings. Greetings. In the mighty divine name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor King Selassie the First, and the conquering lion out of the tribe of Judah, ever living, ever loving, ever faithful and ever sure. I mean I say, blessed is the man walked not in the counsel of ungodliness, stand up in the ways of sinners. For he shall represent his award sitting in the mighty hand of his Almighty. Holy man, holy King Selassie, yeah, Rastafari. Yeah, man, who know people, I mean MC Mashasha, aka the ghetto teacher, the first and the last, the youngest and the baddest, straight sin. Yeah, man, back to back, DJ Welly, also the general, yeah, man, the clean prince. So right about now, remember everything straight, set and correct, straight sin. We deep on the hottest, yeah, man, the new album straight out from Kabhidha. Yeah, man, an album named Chingwa. Yeah, man. Right about now, why am I my selector? Play!
Well, pull it out, dog. Well, act, dog, straight.
Yeah, man, remember I start the thing nice and easy.
You're silent killer. Nzira yangu vanoshungurudza mweya.
Ready when you ready?
Vakandi
Woyo!
nzira yangu vakatuka chipo changu vanoshungurudza mweya wangu. Asi havana kuziva kuti takadiwa.
Mature music for mature people.
Tinofamba na Yesu vanozora bata ndima Jesu.
Everything bright and beautiful,
Ranyasha baba vakati
light and colorful.
Yesu. Tinofamba na Yesu vanozora bata ndima Jesu. Atozora nyasha baba vakatida. Mukombe wakapfachuka ngetani dzafaro dzakadambuka kunarunda.
Hold on! Yeah, man. Trust me, no man sin. I mean, I say a car without a driver goes nowhere sin. A sheep without the shepherd goes astray sin. So a life without Jesus Christ is meaningless. Remember, it's me I walk through the valley of death. Me not afraid cause Jah always guide and protect. Why am I my selector back and balance?
Well, pull it out, dog. Well, act, dog, straight. Yes.
Listen now.
You're silent killer. Nzira yangu vanoshungurudza mweya wangu. Vakandivharira nzira yangu vakatuka chipo changu vanoshungurudza mweya wangu. Asi havana kuziva kuti takadiwa tofamba naye.
Good music for good people.
Tinofamba na Yesu
Mature music.
bata ndima Jesu. Atozora nyasha baba vakatida tofamba na Yesu. Tinofamba na Yesu anozora bata ndima Jesu. Atozora nyasha baba vakatida. Mukombe wakapfachuka.
Yeah, man, Jesus who always guides and protect.
Dambuka kungera zaro ndakabva ndanzimuka. Pinda muchikepe ufambe nenyashangiro zidzinewe dzakayambuka. Zvavasunga nazvo zvatodambuka chitotanga kufamba newe.
Yeah, man, big up Silent Killer,
Gava sikuzi
aka Mukanya.
tida tofamba
Ready?
na Yesu. Tinofamba na Yesu anozora bata ndima Jesu. Atozora nyasha baba vakatida tofamba na Yesu. Tinofamba na Yesu anozora bata ndima Jesu. Atozora nyasha baba vakatida. Timani vakakundika havana.
Yeah, man, it's all about edutainment.
Karara mabomba
Entertainment back to back with education.
katida baba.
So how we are do it tonight.
Tunetofamba naye. Tinotamba naye.
So right about now, my selector.
Famba toskwera naye.
Watch your mix. One time. Watch your mix. Two time. What you mean?
Kamarata ndini popo ndini sokova notambira pano chama kondo ndimi noko simokozo ndivurira masiso magiroko vanokwira vobva kwira mitede soko ndini kamarata ndini popo ndini sokova notambira pano chama kondo ndimi noko ndini ndiri kufonera matsaga vanopipa Bano people.
You select
Takabati.
STOP. Stop it. Yeah, man. Trust me, no man saying. I mean, I say every year, me I play the top league like Barcelona. Any chance me I get, me I bury like Maradona. We're not down to the mind like Osasuna. That's why I introduce us to Dafunge Yokozuna. Why I mean why selector? Again!
Well. Kanzwangani unipira turafande unyekangane. Mad, tag, wale no. Terera pa, usa sutipa, waniri noro.
Yeah, man. Remember Chingwa is the name of the album.
Mafanzi yabacha kutembaba muneka fupi kunge babanga tinendere boyelle feta zino kunge prongo tinenda stikisa funza
Big up Dreamstone.
tini kamarata ndini popo
Yo ango chuta
tambira pano chama kondo
Love uno ke andon
moko zondi furira masiso makiropo bano kwira bofamba kwira miti kunge soko tini kamarata ndini popo ndini zopko bano tambira pano chama kondo ndimi noko antini ndiri kufonera matsaga bano Bano pipa nekutita kama tipa Tenga uchime
Listen to the lyrics them
Kundi karira
Mad shillings
Uno simba mutoro uno simba Alakune sando yimba Miti sariti mutori siyarane mimba Tini kamarata saka tini chino timba Tini ndirigurira kungi woshone marimba Tini ndakapinda mukoti koti ya isipa Asi ungango wana koti wapinda mupa Dirikubata mapatani vankisa Vakazama kutikowesa vakaroba pa
Yeah man, big up Raspido.
Pa uza zutipa
Yo Jerry you did
Mapa kungetemba pa Ambulai bambo mafanzi yabacha kutemba pa Muneka fupi kunge papanka Well terera pa uza zutipa Waniri noroba mapa kungetemba
Right about now selector 1, 2, 3 shoot.
Check me down, badness.
Hey, abhize panda zike ngori kele pani masino pano danjere Pit bully now Well,
Why I mean Kabhidha?
Padwe, akodori no me utapinda mfiri Jirange mizike isi panika
Ready.
Pana ute mango matizu varizi Patobura mapombiti no konzera kala
Shoot.
Pese panda zika ngino uraya Mapit uwasi
Kill it.
ya Apese panda zika imeta ende ya nisinde Kamuno kanyama ya maka isambeka Apese panda zika nino uraya Mapit uwasi katino fura
Listen now.
Apese panda zika imeta ende ya nisinde Kamuno kanyama ya maka isambeka Akana uri staff Pinda mumetires Andi kubate half Tobata rek
Oh yo. Yeah man. Remember great is great. Cause everything great is good and correct straight saying. Yeah man, we are winners, we never quit until we think balance off like a balance, she's straight saying. Why I mean my selector, kick it like a ball.
It be a John. Check me down, badness.
Hey, abhize panda zike ngori kele
Yeah man, kill it style.
Tino pano danjere Pit bully now Well why Hey, apadwe Akodori no me utapinda mfiri Jirange mizike isi panika chele mjere
Yeah man, big up Norway.
Matizu varizi patobura mapombiti no kon
Big up Mashi aka Boris.
Pese panda
Slimdoggz family.
Mapit uwasika tino furaya Apese panda zika imeta ende ya nisinde Kamuno kanyama ya maka isambeka Apese panda zika nino uraya Mapit uwasika tino furaya Apese panda zika imeta ende ya
And we are made at them straight.
ya maka isambeka Akana uri staff Pinda mumetires Andi kubate half Tobata reckless Choka pano fema pano fura nene kiles Mova mati pulo setiru
Again say.
Tepe kuno pantana Havape hengiche Wakuda rubatiro noreza ku UNICEF Ichi chaka ipacho pigwa nema yembures
Woyo.
Bota kisi Pese panda zika ngino uraya Mapit puwa zika tino furaya Apese panda zika imeta ende ya nisinde kamu
Yeah man, tune after tune non-stop.
Apese panda zika
So we are do it.
Mapit puwa zika tino furaya
You Welly.
Apese panda zika imeta ende ya
Busy na put today, be loafing on my flow. Jaja vavura mato, chineke you me love. My tracks in the zima dance it up, kutamba ndombolo. Aba chineke, igwe magege, sande kugerege, kaditi muno wese. Aba chineke, igwe magege, sande kugerege,
Mashua music.
muno wese. tanga tatosha iwazani pandakava yudani.
Easy. Yeah, man. Remember, to the Almighty God, may have to give thanks. So tell the devil to keep him distant still. Yeah, man. Remember, life is the big thing, and man is the next big thing. Straight sin. Why I mean my selector, my tune that pull up.
Yes, I know she. Bad. Super records. Well, why? Shato siana na. Where me used to go.
Yeah, man. Jah always guide and protect.
Sing on my flow. Jaja vavura majo. Chineke you me love. My cracks in a zima dance it up. Utamba longolo. Papa Chineke. Igwe magege.
Ready?
Sunday kugerege. Kabhidha. Papa Chineke. Igwe magege. Sunday kugerege. Kabhidha muluwese. Papa man. Tanga tatosha iwazani.
Yeah, man, big up Boss Chanda.
Nanda bakishi yano taiva ngani oya iti jabule tani panda kapa yudano wasongo wenanda bakishi yano.
No selector. Hold on. Yeah, man. Remember the whole of them a sit down in that plan. If them a study for the innocent one, but them not remember who jobless. None of them can never bumble clat case. Yeah, man. Remember if the tune is nice, we are played twice, thrice more. Pull up.
Well, yes, I know she. Bad. Super records.
Yeah, man, think turn up loud.
Shato siana na. Where me used to go. Go fashion this in a boot today. Below sing on my flow. Jaja vavura majo. Chineke you me love. My cracks in a zima dance it up. Utamba longolo. Papa Chineke. Igwe magege. Sunday kugere.
Yeah, man, big up Headshot Gaza Massive.
Papa Chineke.
Big up Teko.
Igwe magege.
Rasfilo.
Sunday kugerege. Kabhidha muluwese.
Real music entertainment.
Tanga tatosha iwazani pandakava yudano wasongo wenanda bakishi yano taiva ngani oya iti jabule tani takava yudano wasongo wenanda bakishi yano azino tangira pa town nura azitangie pa town azino tangira pa corona yemindwa.
Yeah, man, from nothing to something.
Azitangire amara
Zero to hero.
ire pa brown azitangire pa rooftop diri munu wandisi clown panaya munda uri cloudy shakava sungane mabao
Again, I can say.
wati bude muraundi lidongo mazikuri pa towni.
You select to. Are you ready now? Watch your mix.
Kabhidha muluwese. Papa Chineke. Wakati kura na ika.
Dancing time now. Yeah, man. Hold up that tune one more time again, my selector. Why I mean?
It's my hobby, China teach you me come. My hobby, Ryan. It's my hobby, get with it.
Yeah, man, big up Simba Bud Islam.
From Zimbabwe to Nairobi,
Boss Taps Shisaka.
Nairobi.
Boss Gamla.
Jaiva was a boy. Jaiva.
Yeah, man, the party central.
Get ready.
Oh, yeah.
Jaiva. Manya tu na chawa kata kura na ika. Tefono Jaiva. Jaiva. Tefono Jaiva. Tefono Jaiva. Jaiva. Tefono Jaiva. Tefono Jaiva. Jaiva. Tefono Jaiva. When Jaiva. Tefono Jaiva. Tefono Jaiva. Jaiva. Call a taxi driver. Roll up like a dice. Have a tip with the team as no fiber. Party order. Ndakati window mumapingo abandione. Let's go out and play. Asaka pen mama pure jamu onwe. All eyes on me. All eyes on me. All chicks on me. The whole world on me. Pese patatika EAP all series on me. Tefono jai jai. Timu yedu ya kasara ni makai kai.
But we are party.
Bye bye. Simplex you get happy all day try.
We have nothing to worry about.
Jaiva. Tefono Jaiva. Tefono Jaiva. Jaiva, Jaiva. Why don't I know Jaiva? Jaiva,
You select to. One with it. Don't stop, hey. Ready. Yeah, man. What you mean, selector? Oh, yo. Again.
Yo, Welly Ozil. Call up MC Mashasha, make you buck up your ass clad thing, you know. Why pre?
Thailand. A party central.
Yeah, man, remember DJ Welly Ozil on the ones and twos.
Hey.
And the baddest selector that. Why
Indindi bali kudonita musika wochu mainini pane pati pano pane pati pano Vama mixa zamasanga nisa tunwe ipano Oyo Tijanwa piusina Borinja
yeah, man, big up Joshon. Big up Ian Mutongo.
Tijanwa piusina Borinja Sono takwaire boitang Totakwaire kengarang boitang Vakasunga mchie sentimita doro katulita kandiseke zangu Sunga imata
Smoking proud.
Upatia totanga Patia
I can say.
Patia totanga Maburu weze imobete mudanga Amati mukunwa chii Amati tukunwa chii Makuva mamixa zamasanganisa tonwe ipano Oyo
Yeah, man, remember Kabhidha is in the house. He's in the building.
Tijanwa piusina
The man himself. Kabena Manucci.
Tijanwa piusina Borinja
Yo, selector. Hola.
Uya kuzona inini
Yeah, man. Remember, we sing and no local, but it's global and international because it's original and special scene. Yeah, man. Remember DJ Welly Ozil on the ones and twos. Back to back MC Mashasha, aka the ghetto teacher, aka Shasha Parasha straight scene. So right about now, my selector. Yeah, man. The heart of the album. Yeah, man. Am I tuned that? Chingwa. Play. Hey.
You're silent
Ready.
Simplex Amutirangarirepa
Ready when you ready.
Hello Vanongoda chingwa vana Kana mukamba mukelepa Zara tinayo watidi mutanyo Tino upenyu utano Tigotaura zotiri mangwana tabangano Apaive posinu zakao
Yeah, man, the title track.
Tia puro imba
Chingwa.
Mwe Yambo ikarabo matefunde Mamonya ajewova ezenda asunde Nyangu zakao matefunde
Listen to the lyrics.
Asumbe Yambo ikarabo matefunde Mamonya ajewova ezenda asunde Nyangu zakao Daima tipa chingwa Daima tipa simba Daima tipa simba Daima tipa utano Amatizira utano Daima tipa simba Daima tipa simba Apaive posinu zakao Atefu
No selector. Voila. Yeah, man. Remember, great is great because everything great is good and correct. Straight saying. Why I mean no? Yeah, man. The man of the moment, Kabhidha. Link up, my dada. Link up. Yeah, man. Think 10 up. Straight saying. The man himself, Kabhidha, in the building. Yeah, man. Mjama. Satenda kure. People have been asking me, Mashasha, and they say album Miranzi Chingwa.
Yeah, you don't know. A lot of people don't understand because tikati Chingwa. On the Chingwa cheku bakery. You get it?
Yeah, man, I get it.
But if you go back in the Bible, this time Jesus and Dambra and Chingwa ni wine.
Yeah, man, straight.
Uyu muiri wangu. Saka you say the bread represents the body of Christ.
Yeah, man.
And if you go back in the Bible, same way. That's when you will understand that bread plays a very, very big part of our survival. You get it?
Yeah, man,
because yatukwanze kurara mene chingwa chete azineshogora mwari asi chingwa chacho futi mutumbi wa mwari at the other end. And there is this thing, baba.
Yeah,
kwa ilako nati mnyika muneta hondoka shaisa wanu chingwa. If you go back,
straight, yeah, man.
If you go back to the French history, French Revolution, dog, you have to go up and go and search for it. In 1789, dog,
yeah, man, way back
French woman, every woman in Paris, they gathered and they walked for more than 12 miles.
Yeah, man.
12 miles, Rastaman. Wachienda kumba king. Why don't no king? You cannot rule. Chingwa, we want bread. So you say that Chingwa just change your tambanach.
Yeah, man, me understand. So how many tracks are on this album?
Yeah, man, about 11 tracks.
Yeah, man, 11 tracks.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Me think this is your first album.
Yeah.
What inspired you to do this type of thing?
Yeah, what inspired me is really the ghetto life, the life we grew up living.
Yeah, man.
Plus the thing, we have our own step, but now we do our own things. So, apana karasta, mapit buza, ninga ito do Obama.
Yeah,
Panubulisa wangu saka. We have to give it to them.
Yeah, man. So, man, unga start sile kuti chiri kubudazwa rim.
Yeah, this coming Saturday.
27 October.
27 October.
So the thing again.
Straight.
Yeah, man. So before you go, just want a freestyle for the people. A freestyle. Me no longer call it a freestyle. A expensive style. When I talk about.
An expensive style,
Yeah,
yeah, man.
straight.
I would tell this seriously because in life we really face a lot of things, but people have to know say the kings are the kings. Them you know this. To shake a dance, earthquake, and if you mamunya papundi nenge 6 pack, haiko na kiriet. Vanoda kutsikirira vaudze vatsike chimeti haha ndozveti ndadonhedza patani ndobva ndanzi weudhani nemveti ndiyani uyo check ndiwesahwira mukuru senyaradzo vamwe mafake haha tektieki vanoda tidonhe mashasha ngativaseke pathis track this track
Yeah, man. Think 10 applause straight pan the head in abroad. Yeah, man. Remember it's all about Kabhidha's new album. Yeah, man. An album called Chingwa. So the thing I go on. Yeah, man. Big up DJ Welly Ozil. Yeah, man. Big up real music entertainment. Yeah, man.
Big up Slimdoggz same way.
Shut up.
Where me used to go. Go fashion this in a boot today. Me loving on my flow. Jaja va fura my toe. Chineke you me love. My tracks in the zima.